Today is International Women in Science Day, so I thought it would be the perfect opportunity to highlight our very female-heavy ScubbleBubbles crew. But also we just thought it would be a good day to invite some members of the press to come and partake in one of our workshops to see what it is that we're doing, because we think it's really cool, but we need other people to think it's really cool. And so what we do is you learn a little bit about corals and the reefs and the threats that they face. And then the fun part, you actually get to participate in coral restoration. So you get to do some microfragmentation, got to see the coral up close, see the little polyps, and hopefully you've developed a nice love for the coral by getting that opportunity to be a part of the restoration process. The workshops right now are actually a highlight for the facility that we're about to have. And they're open to anyone. Anyone who'd like to participate in a workshop can email us at info@scubbleBubbles.org. But right now we're really focused on trying to do them for groups, whether it's a school group, so if a teacher would like to maybe bring their students down to get an opportunity to participate in this. We actually go to the school and do the presentation portion at the school so that the teachers don't have to worry about that. But we really hope that more tour guides and more people who are working in the hospitality industry will want to come and partake in a workshop, because we want them to know what it is that they have out here to protect and to love and to show our guests. And the best way to get your guests to love something is for you to love it. And so we hope that they'll join. None of our work is possible without all of our volunteers. Everybody, including myself, we're all volunteers with this. So it's amazing how many people are happy to help, and you can see my crew is pretty amazing and they're all volunteers, which is beautiful. But nothing can be done without partners. And so this project especially is with De Palm Tours, and it's funded through TUI Care Foundation, and they're the ones who've really enabled us to be able to make this project big as it is.